I came to Daktronics. Within 3 months, I was on an airplane going to Saudi Arabia during the Gulf conflict to install soccer scoreboards. How cool was that? How else would I have gotten those opportunities to go see the world? My name is Jason Warney. I'm the Global Jobsite Safety Specialist for Daktronics. I started as a technician. I started as an installation supervisor. The value that I appreciate in the trades, they're truly in the service industry. They're making life better for everybody else. You get to use tools, you get to learn new products, you get to work in different environments, and you get to solve problems. Out of all the amazing products we work with, the most rewarding part of my job is enabling and making people successful and putting smiles on people's faces, seeing their level of confidence grow. I know those are the individuals that, when it's time for me to retire, I can walk away, smile on my face, confidence knowing that there's many, many years in front of Daktronics. Obviously, my paycheck is a big part of it, right? I've been able to live a comfortable life, my daughters, being able to help them to go to school to get their degrees. At the end of the day, I chose electronics and it was a good fit for me. This is a start, and it doesn't mean that tomorrow ends here and that this is my limit, because I'm shaping my future every day and I'm still shaping my future.